Get slim arms in 3 days with only 3 ingredients. So you have to get a clean bowl for mixing. The first ingredient you have here is orange peel. Here is orange peel powder. You can also make your orange peel by removing the peel of your orange, okay? After removing it, dry it under the sun. Make sure it's well dried. Turn it into a powder form. So orange peel powder contains citric acid, vitamin C, a very powerful antioxidant, antibacterial that will help to get rid of skin problems. It will exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells, and the result will be a new skin. So making use of this orange peel in this remedy will help to make sure your hands or your body part is very soft and smooth, allowing other ingredients to penetrate further, and make sure the remedy burns those fats, keeping your skin slender and more youthful. So I'll be adding only 1 tablespoon because a little goes a long way. Coconut oil is very important as well. It has penetrating power that will help to make sure other ingredients goes well into the skin layer, getting rid of those stubborn fats, okay? And it's very moisturizing. It will also help to remove stretch marks and cellulite. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also make use of almond oil or olive oil. The next one we have here is vapor rub. You can make use of any hot balm. Okay, the purpose of this hot balm is for it to make you sweat, and as a result you will get rid of those fats. So we're actually making a massage treatment that when you apply it on those areas you want to burn fat, it's going to penetrate into those layers, make you sweat and burn them successfully. So go ahead and make use of any hot balm, vapor rub, aboniki balm, or any other type. A little goes a long way. This balm is not really so hot, okay? If you are making yours, ensure you get a very hot balm. So keep your hands slender. For those that have fat, flabby arms, you want to remove fat arms, fat belly, just go ahead and make use of this. This is very effective. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Remember to make use of a very hot balm. All the ingredients are very important to keep that arms looking slender and well-toned. Then after applying it, you have to be scrubbing it like this. This is going to enable blood flow, blood circulation, preventing stretch marks, cellulite, and all that. And also burning those excessive fat and keeping your arms looking well-toned. If you make use of a very hot balm, you notice hotness, like very hotness. Your skin is going to be so hot, like if you have a sensitive skin, so you have to be careful, okay? So this is what you have to be doing every day, like every day. Exercising those muscles are going to enable those fats to burn faster. Apply on your tummy, apply any other part you want to reduce, like looking very attractive, okay? Lose those weights without any stretch marks, lose those weights without any side effects. Very important for you. Wash it off after some minutes. You can leave it on for 30 minutes, 1 hour or more, okay? You can just wrap it with a plastic wrap, tie it, keep it on tightly, leave it on all through the night, and the next morning wash it off. Repeat this treatment every day. You see that your arms are going to be looking so very nice, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.